Do you see this mess? I was supposed to go camping this weekend, but I had some technical difficulties. And by technical, I mean mechanical, as in 2 lower control arms and a CV axle had to be replaced. And then I needed an alignment. And I was supposed to go camping on a Saturday, and this happened on a Thursday. And now, everything is a mess, and even this lens is a mess. So I gotta make everything clean, so just... Okay, that's better. So, let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so check this out. We have all this space here. And I have all this stuff here. So I want to put a piece of wood on this panel here that I can put flashlights, camera chargers, drone batteries, and the drone mounted while I'm traveling. Bam. There's that, fits right in. Gotta mark this. And we connect those, cut that out, and it'll be nice and smooth and even. Okay, so it fits snug as a bug, but we want to mount it, and I want it removable, so I think I'm going to use some Velcro strips. Okay, Velcro in place. Now, in theory, this should work. Oh yeah, that's it. So that's in place, nice and sturdy, and see, it still closes and locks. So, perfect. So this is what I have in my head. This is my drone, so I'm going to have it blocked off with certain wood strips. This is for flashlights for charging. This is my drone battery charger, camera battery charger, and GoPro battery charger. So all this is going to be hopefully boxed off so it all stays in place. So basically we're just going to create a box with all these sectioned off areas. That way we can fit everything organized. Okay guys, so this is it. It's not tacked in place, but this is what it's going to look like. So we have battery charger trays, flashlights, miscellaneous, drone. We have to sand it all down and then nail it all together. All the pieces are sanded down and marked so we know where they go, and we just have to put the rest together and then nail it all. Bang bang. Let's go see if it fits. We're using Velcro, that way it's removable. Check that out guys, it fits, sturdy. Let's put stuff in it, probably drill some holes just for some cables. So there we have it. Everything's put in. We'll probably put some non-stick liner in all these just so they don't wobble around and make noise. We just have to put in our 12 volts, wire it into here, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, so this is kind of the rough draft. I didn't really record putting this in because my neighbor decided to mow the lawn. Sirens were going off, helicopters going by, it's just very loud. But we just put in 3 12-volt sockets. This one, 2 USB 3.0 ports. This one, just a 12-volt socket. And then here is an additional USB-C and USB port. So this is pretty much it. This is removable. That way I can take it out and put the seat up. This is just sitting in here. I gotta figure out a way to mount it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So I think I'm gonna call it there just because I honestly don't know what else I'm gonna do yet. I'll change stuff around for sure, but I just don't know what yet. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you wanna see more, go ahead and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace out.